So today, and for the next couple of days probably, we're gonna be paneling this ceiling. As you can see, we started over here. First thing we did was we wanna make sure all of our lines are straight through the different sections between the beams, and also that where the can lights land is the same in each section. So we ran a laser line first thing through all the cans, made sure they were in a straight line, and then we snapped a line with a string line, with a chalk line off of that. So we have a reference point for each section so they can all look the same. Maybe a tiny bit different down at the bottom, but we want them all to look the exact same when they hit the cans. So that was the first thing we did. Over here on this wall, there's gonna be sheetrock coming up to our paneling. So you can see there's a little gap there. That's fine because the sheetrock is gonna cover that up. Over here, we're nice and tight to the beam. There is no trim going there. So we have our number for this one over here, and we've been cutting them to 78 inches, not that that matters. But what we're doing is we're putting a little bevel on this end of the board, making that a little bit of a long point so that when we put it in, we can push it right up against the beam. And it's nice and tight. So we put a little 10-degree bevel on it. You can see there's a little angle on that board.
So here's the piece Rob just cut. You've got the angle on it. Tuck this one in. And you can see the angle allows it to butt tight to the beam. And you got a nice tight fit. And now the way we're nailing this, it's called blind nailing. We're not going to nail through the face. We're going to go through the tongue with a narrow crown staple, just like that. You'll nail every strap, and then your paneling will be up.